Unraveling the phrase, rabbit trap, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, rabbit trap. This phrase can be quite intriguing, especially for those of you learning English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. First, let's break down the literal meaning of this phrase. A rabbit trap is a device or setup used to catch rabbits. It's a physical trap, often used by hunters or farmers. Understanding this literal meaning is crucial as it forms the basis for the metaphorical use of the phrase. In a figurative sense, a rabbit trap can refer to a situation or a problem that is easy to fall into but hard to escape from. It's often used to describe scenarios where someone is lured into a situation that seems appealing at first but turns out to be problematic or challenging. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. Taking out too many loans can become a rabbit trap. It seems helpful at first but can lead to serious financial problems. Beware of schemes that promise quick money. They might be a rabbit trap. Understanding these examples can help you grasp the nuances of the phrase and how it's applied in various contexts. When using rabbit trap in your conversations, it's important to ensure that the context is clear. Since it's a metaphor, the listener needs to understand the background for it to make sense. Use it in situations where you want to warn someone about a potentially deceptive or problematic situation. And that's a wrap on the phrase, rabbit trap. We hope this video has shed light on its meanings and uses. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances, and phrases like this one add color to your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.